are the demon-possessed who belong in a mental institution. I want to make sure that you can hear me. I had headphones in. Let me repeat myself. This is the Ontario Police Department group stalking, flying in a circle, demonstrating their instability. In directed light. Headlights do not reach up to the top of a house. There's not even a vehicle that's driving down the street, and by the way, their headlights are not going to be touching on a house over here. That's directed light. Those are demons of the Ontario Police Department. Stalking me in the bathroom at Ovid Family Community Library. All right, stalking while I am remaining inside of the library all day long. This is the P.O.C. underway all day long. Stalking inside of a 7-Eleven where they're molesting with light, and this is demonic. These are puppets of Satan. They're revealing how unstable they are while they are stalking somebody who is publishing it, exposing it to the whole world. Engaging in this conduct is what shall result in what is placing you into a mental institution. This is not anonymous criminal activity. Let me be clear, every single last person affiliated with the Ontario Police Department, I'm showing you what is the criminal system that they're engaging on behalf of the state. Demons, all right? This is demonic conduct. This is the demon-possessed population. And they are still engaging in the POC while you're looking at this environment. All right, this directed light across 325 West G Street is the documentation of 325 West G Street, a facilitating venue who are monitoring group stalking where they live with the Ontario Police Department. They are literally flying in a circle, okay? That's demonic. It is 9:30 p.m. and they've been engaging in this. I just wanted to capture this video to show you the significance of the people of the state, and this is who they are stalking with. It's an impermissible threat. The people of the state that are driving by are showing an impermissible threat. They are stalking in real time while you're documenting it. That's federal prison, understand that. It's an impermissible threat. Everything that these demons are doing has legal relevance. This is the Ontario Police Department that's engaging in ongoing ceaseless stalking all night long, 24-hour surveillance, flying over this vehicle that I'm inside of all night long. Just want to capture this video because this is what they're doing on an ongoing basis. This is an entity that's using helicopters to engage in terrorism. They're using police vehicles stalking on the roads and the highways with the people of the state. All right, this is corruption exposed. This is demonic conduct, which is prosecuted as terrorism. This is the conduct that shall result in being placed in mental institutions. I've documented many of the demon-possessed Ontario Police Department, and this is what's wrong with them. They're stalking. Alrighty, it is again the 9:31 p.m. While they are continuously flying in a circle, they are revealing the fact that they are openly stalking someone. They will be prosecuted and they will be sitting in federal prison. This is POC.